that over. Hi there, Kimberly Flanagan of Kimberly's Quilts. As an educator in embroidery and quilting and longarming and sewing, I like to respond to my students' requests for topics that they want. So here's one for you on embrilliance. Have you ever accidentally closed out one of your property sidebars and then you're going, oh no, how do I get them back? It's really quick, really easy, but if one of those things that if you don't know where to look, then you're lost. So I'm going to jump on here real quick. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how you can recover your side properties and navigation panels so that you can quickly and easily see them. So let me share my screen real quick. So here we are in Embrilliance, and let me just pull in a design real quick. It doesn't really matter which one. I'm just going to randomly pick one that I have. So I have over here on my sidebars, let me get rid of this. On my sidebars, I have over here, I have my objects panel and I have my properties. And occasionally we accidentally hit this little button here, or maybe we want it intentionally gone. And then we have the objects. So we have more real estate here on our screen. So how do I get those back? It's really quick, it's really easy, and all you have to do is go up here and say View, Toolbars and Windows, and then say Reset Windows and Toolbars, okay? And here they are, they're back. Under this View tab, under the Toolbars and Windows, you can turn off and on by just a checkbox what toolbars and windows you want to see. So if I click on main toolbar, you'll see that this section has disappeared. If I come in here and I turn it back on, voila, it's back. Then I come in here and I can turn off my view toolbar. I can turn off my, all of them. My object window. That quick and easy, I can start customizing what toolbars and what windows I see. But if you ever need to get them all back, just say reset windows and toolbars and they're all back for you. So hope that helps. Just so you know, this doesn't just apply to your side panels. It also applies to any of these top panels that you might have had disappear. The exception is that up here, if I don't have it activated like the view toolbar, it's not going to reset it. Okay, so, but I see the question often. I've been asked multiple times when teaching, what happened to my objects and properties panels and how do I get them back? Guys, I hope that helped. And if you're enjoying my tips on Embrilliance, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified whenever I post something new. Thanks.